turn my life around. Don't have no doubt in my mind today to do God's will. What about you? Can I say it like this? What about you?